Damero Diaper Wet Dry Bag with Handle for Swimsuit by Damero is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. 2 compartments. This reusable wet dry bag with 2 zippered compartments are ideal to keep your wet and dry cloth separately. Mark. Not waterproof, but water resistant. Could not hold something dripping wet but good for things that are damp. High quality. The dual-layer water-resistant fabric is lined with high-quality polyurethane laminate, pull, keeping odor and moisture contained. Easy access. It is easy to hang them anywhere like doorknobs, towel rails, door hangers thanks to the handle with a snap on it. Multi-purpose wet bag. You can take them with you on many occasions such as home, natatorium, fitness center, gym as well as at the beach when you spending a vacation. High capacity. Lightweight design is easy to carry. Roomy enough to organize our wet and dry items. Ideal size for diapers, wet swimsuit after the pool or beach, gym clothes after working out. Perfect for a shower gift.